Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.4950 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.4882 to 1.5358. The earlier day close, 1.4977. The change was 0.0027. 0.18%. Backwards rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk 1. Cost 1.54 rands. High 1.65. Low 1.43. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday. Walk 2. Cost 1.58 rands. High 1.69. Low 1.47. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday. Walk 3. Cost 1.56 rands. High 1.67. Low 1.45. Dogecoin gauge on Monday. Walk 6. Cost 1.50 rands. High 1.61. Low 1.40. In multi-week Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday. Walk 7. Cost 1.50 rands. High 1.61. Low 1.40. Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday. Walk 8. Cost 1.50 rands. High 1.61. Low 1.40. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday. Walk 9. Cost 1.44 rands. High 1.54. Low 1.34. Dogecoin gauge on Friday. Walk 10. Cost 1.48 rands. High 1.58. Low 1.38. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday. Walk 13. Cost 1.46 rands. High 1.56. Low 1.36. In about 14 days Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday. Walk 14. Cost 1.48 rands. High 1.58. Low 1.38. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk 15. Cost 1.51 rands. High 1.62. Low 1.40. Dogecoin figure on Thursday. Walk 16. Cost 1.47 rands. High 1.57. Low 1.37. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday. Walk 17. Cost 1.58 rands. High 1.69. Low 1.47. Dogecoin figure on Monday. Walk 20. Cost 1.62 rands. High 1.73. Low 1.51. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk 21. Cost 1.60 rands. High 1.71. Low 1.49. Dogecoin figure on Wednesday. Walk 22. Cost 1.62 rands. High 1.73. Low 1.51. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday. Walk 23. Cost 1.67 rands. High 1.79. Low 1.55. Dogecoin gauge on Friday. Walk 24. Cost 1.67 rands. High 1.79. Low 1.55. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday. Walk 27. Cost 1.49 rands. High 1.59. Low 1.39. In about a month Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday. Walk 28. Cost 1.46 rands. High 1.56. Low 1.36. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk 29. Cost 1.49 rands. High 1.59. Low 1.39. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday. Walk 30. Cost 1.45 rands. High 1.55. Low 1.35. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin gauge for Walk 2023. To start with cost at 1.52 rands, exorbitant cost 1.79, while low cost 1.34. Found the middle value of cost 1.52. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.44. Change for spring 5.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2023. To start with cost at 1.44 rands, exorbitant cost 1.79, while low cost 1.34. Found the middle value of cost 1.56. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.67. Change for April 16.0%. Dogecoin gauge for May 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.67 rands, exorbitant cost 1.67, while low cost 1.30. Found the middle value of cost 1.51. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.40. Change for May 16.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.40 rands, exorbitant cost 1.40, while low cost 1.10. The found the middle value of cost 1.27. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.18. Change for June 15.7%. Dogecoin estimate for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.18 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.47. While low cost 1.18. The found the middle value of cost 1.30. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.37. Change for July 16.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.37 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.56. While low cost 1.36. The found the middle value of cost 1.44. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.46, change for August 6.6%. Dogecoin figure for September 2023. Before all else cost at 1.46 rands, excessive cost 1.46. While low cost 1.26. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.39. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.36, change for September 6.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at 1.36 rands, excessive cost 1.52. While low cost 1.32. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.41. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.42. Change for October 4.4%. Dogecoin figure for November 2023. Before all else cost at 1.42 rands, excessive cost 1.42. While low cost 1.11. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.29. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.19. Change for November 16.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else cost at 1.19 rands, excessive cost 1.19. While low cost 0.93. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.08. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.00. Change for December 16.0%. Dogecoin conjecture for January 2024. At the outset cost at 1.00 rands, excessive cost 1.07. While low cost 0.93. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.00. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.00. Change for January 0.0%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset cost at 1.00 rands, excessive cost 1.05. While low cost 0.91. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.99. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 0.98. Change for February 2.0%. ZAR to Doge swapping scale equivalent to 0.6689 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.6511 0.6720. The earlier days nearby 0.6677. Change for now plus 0.0012 plus 0.